And hello there Gundam fans and folks, this is Mixer Wars and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now what we have here is the number 144 HGFC or Fighting Century Shining Gundam. Now this is kind of weird, or rather I don't know how they planned it out, but they released God Gundam first before Shining came out. But in the anime, Shining Gundam was Domankashi's first Gundam before transferring it into being the God Gundam. Now on the box art we see here Shining Gundam doing the Shining Finger, and on this side here we have Shining Gundam versus the Master Gundam. And off to the side we see Shining Gundam front and back, and of course the iconic battle between Domankashu and Master Asia in their own respective Gundams. On to the other side, yep, we see that you can do some action poses with it and some options, and of course the hyper mode is included. Now let's take a look and see what's inside the box. First off, we are greeted with one bag with two sprues, one sprue multicolored and one PC sprue, and some stickers. Second bag, two sprues, all white and gray. Last bag is three sprues with white, gray, and of course some saber effects or saber beam effects. And lastly, we see the instruction manual. Now let's take a look individually at the sprues. Now first off, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have some clear green. Of course, we see the Shining Finger, the gigantic Shining Finger effect. We see some red, some yellow, and some blue. The core lander is here. So this is for the A sprue. We also have a B1 sprue here, and yeah, some parts is almost coming off because of some shipping. And we have a B2, which is a part of the B1. So B1 is here and this is B2. Shipping mishaps. We also have a C1 here, which is all gray, and a C2, which is this part of the C1. C1, C2, all gray. Some saber effect parts here. The PC sprue, for the joints, and of course some sticker sheets where we see there is some gold stickers here in order to replicate the hyper mode from this kit, wherein you have to change some parts. You see here the normal mode is here. This is the normal mode, and the hyper mode is here, wherein there are some parts that is going to be exposed for gold, and you have to change the head. So hyper mode at this time is activated because of some high emotions. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HGFC number 144 Shining Gundam. The Gundam of Domankashu, which is the new King of Hearts from the Shuffle Alliance. And yes, I just bought this kit while waiting for Gundam Maxer to arrive, which is another TP Bandai. Well, that's all that I have to say, and this is Mixer War saying, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, hitting that notification bell, and until next time, see you and thank you.